Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are solving a popular problem on LeetCode called 2sum2 where input array is sorted. This problem is an interesting variation of the classic 2sum problem, and today we'll be solving it using Java with constant pace. So let's do it. So here is the problem. We are given a sorted array of integers and we need to find two numbers that add up to a specific target number. We are also given that here is exactly one solution, meaning no duplicates or multiple answers to worry about. For example, if we have input numbers as 2, 7, 11, 5 and we have our target as 9, then the numbers 2 and 7 add up to the 9. So we return 1 and 2 as the result. But there is a twist. We need to return the indices starting from 1, not 0, which is a little different from as usual. So let's talk about our approach. Our approach would be two pointer method. So since the array is already sorted, we can take advantage of this by using the two pointer technique, which is both efficient and saves memory. At first we'll start with two pointers, one at the beginning of the array, left pointer, and one at the end of the array, right pointer. We add the values at these two pointers. If the sum is equal to the target, we have found our answers and return the indices of the two numbers. If the sum is less than the target, it means we need a larger sum. So we move the left pointer one step to the right. If the sum is greater than the target, then we need a smaller sum. So we move the right pointer one step to the left. And we repeat this process until we find our two numbers. Now let's get into our LeetCode ID and solve this problem. So we'll start with two pointers as left and right. So if we define our left pointer with the index 0 and our right pointer with numbers dot length -1 means at the right. Now we'll run a loop where our condition will be left less than right. Until this condition will be true, we'll calculate the sum, and the sums will be numbers of left plus numbers right. Okay, the nums are, it's not numbers. Okay, once we have our sum, now we'll check the conditions. If our sum is equals to our given target, now it will be equals to our target, we return our array indices, but with giving them extra 1. So left plus 1 and right plus 1. Okay, now else if our sum is less than the target, this means we have to move our left pointer to get a larger sum, right? So left plus plus, else right minus minus. And now the problem guarantees that there is only one solution, so we don't need to handle cases where there is no answer. So for that, to return new int with -1. So this line will never reach. So I think it's done, and now let's run this and let's check. Okay, 2, 7, 11, 5. Our target is 9, so 2 and 7 adding is up. So 0 and 1 is the indexes, but as we have added 1 with left and right, so our output is 1 and 2. Same with the case 2. Same with case 2, 2, 3, 4, target is 6, so 4 plus 2, 6, which is 0, 1, 2, plus after adding 1 we have 1 and 3. Now after we submit this, got it. Okay, so that's it. We have successfully solved our two-sum 2 problem using two-pointer technique in Java. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more this kind of LeetCode tutorials.